Good morning, boys and girls. Today I'd like you to work on a Christmas card for the nursing home in Ryle. We'll send the cards with Carson or somehow get them to his mom so they can be delivered in Ryle. So we need to do a quick review of Canva. So scroll down to the bottom of the school library website. Click on the word Canva. I'm already signed in. Let me sign out here for a minute. You have your account set up with login with Google, if you remember that. So just click the login with Google and it'll get you in. Remember, because my account was older than yours, I had to do the sign in down here. Oops, hold on. All right. Then, at that point, you're going to go to Templates. You're going to scroll down to Card. And then let's start from scratch. Okay. The thing you have to watch for, if you really find a template you love and you really want to use, go ahead and choose it. But just make sure that you take off the name of whatever family they've put on there. So be careful with that if you use one of these templates. Otherwise, we start with a blank card. Remember, the first thing is that a card's going to have four sides to it. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, this is the front of your card. Inside the front cover, number 3. Oops, how did I get too many here? Here's my number 1, my number 2, my number 3, my number 4. I guess I got the right number here. Okay, number 3 is where you put your greeting to the person who's going to receive the card. So be careful with what you put in here. Probably stick with the typical greetings at holidays. Happy holidays and a happy new year. Have a happy holiday and a happy new year. Merry Christmas. We are thinking of you. Anything that would be appropriate for a person who's in the nursing home. Then again over here, we search. Christmas has already shown up on mine. It might on yours as well because we started some Christmas cards earlier. These are the template ones. Otherwise, go with photos and search Christmas. Oh, I just saw a fun one with a kitty cat. Okay, remember you have to watch for the ones that have a crown or say premium on them. If they have the crown or they say premium, you can't use them. Because when you get to the point you want to do your card, it's going to charge you for it. So make sure that you are careful with what images you choose. I'll just put one on here. Okay, then you're going to add your text elements. Remember, you can use one of these funky ones that they have down here, but you're probably going to want to change the color to a Christmas color, and you probably have to make it smaller. Or you can just use one of these up here. And then if you want, let me see if I can get this highlighted. You can change the font up here. And they have tons of fonts for you to choose from. Lots of good things in here. Let's look. This looks kind of fun. And again, we know how to change sizes. We know how to change colors because that looks like it should be a holiday color. And then you're ready to go to the inside of your card. All right? Don't worry about sharing them with me or anything like that. In order to print them off the last time, I had to go back in and turn all these upside down on the first page. I will make sure that that gets done to print these off. So you don't have to worry about that at all. And I'll just log into your account using your Google credentials, which I have because we've got the 5 of the last, 3 of the first, and Vikings with a capital V. I can get that taken care of all right. But if you can design a Christmas card and then, oh, do we have to name them in here or not? Looks like we don't. I think this saves automatically, so we're okay. Look at that, I did have it extra. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I just put it in there by accident, for demonstration. Okay, I think you know how to do this. Remember there's other elements over here as well that you can use. Once again, you search for Christmas. All kinds of fun little elements, because on your back page, I want you to put the text that says designed by. And notice how that said pro, free, pro. You have to be careful with those. Make sure you choose the free ones. My goodness, do they have any free ones anymore? There we go. I like that one. Awful big, though. Remember that we put an image on the back and then some simple little text that says created by. Now, warning, if you don't know how to spell Christmas, Santa's not coming to your house. And if you don't spell the word created correctly, I'm not going to be happy. You should be checking your spelling to make sure you do those things correctly. Again, with this text here, if you want, you can change the font because they've got so many cool ones in here. And you can change the size. I spelt my own name wrong. Well, I guess it's okay. And change the color. Oh, that gold color looks kind of fun. Okay. I'm going to stretch that out a little bit. It does look like I spelled my name wrong. Actually, that's correct. That's what they make a Z look like. Huh, interesting. Okay. Center everything up nice. This one's centered up nice. No, it's not. Now it is. Okay. And that's all you need to do for today. Once you complete your card, you can go back to Typing Agent and play the games if you want, or cram and do Stellar Speller. Just make sure you get your card done, that your spelling is accurate, that it's appropriate, and then go and do one of those other things. All right? That's it for today. Thank you.